Now, as a new trading week prepares to kick off right here at the New York Stock Exchange, investors across the globe are wondering if last week's wild ride will continue. An abbreviated week here in the U.S. that saw a steep sell-off to start the week after NVIDIA got hit with U.S. Justice Department subpoenas in an escalating antitrust probe, and after government data showed July job openings fell more than expected. All reports that paved the way for a rough start to the week, but a new week awaits. The first full trading week of September 2024. Will we see more of the same? Some extended losses, or will we come bouncing back? There's a lot of data due out and even a pivotal U.S. presidential debate on the cards midweek. What can we expect in the week ahead? Let's now take a look. We kick off the week on a quiet note in China with that nation's August consumer prices figures on the docket, currently a rate that sits at 0.5%. So it's on Tuesday when we see a bit of a pickup in action, and we start off in Germany with the German consumer prices report. Expectation 0.2% month over month, 2% year over year, while over in the UK, 3M July ILO unemployment due out, a rate that currently sits 4.2%. And then in the evening, the first U.S. presidential debate takes place between former President Donald Trump and Vice President Kamala Harris. Again, taking center stage across the globe. Now on Wednesday, we see us stay in the U.S. with August consumer prices on the docket, a report that's currently at 0.2% month over month, 2.9% year over year. And Thursday, a busy session in Europe to start with the release of the ECB rate decision, a rate that currently sits 3.75%. That will then be followed by the ECB press conference, while here in the U.S., weekly jobless claims due out as well as the August producer prices report is scheduled, a report that currently sits 0.1% month over month, 2.2% year over year. And then on Friday, we conclude with the Eurogroup meeting. While here in the U.S., import prices, export prices, and the preliminary Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index all await that sentiment index currently sitting 67.9. And lastly, keep an eye on those earnings reports and geopolitical headlines as the countdown to the U.S. presidential election is now less than 2 months away. Traditional market movers, again, focus on that. And until next week, coming at you live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney reporting for ICF.